Hi, this is Donna. I go by Glam Gram Donna because I am a grandmother who thinks I can dress up in glam and be who I want to be. Heck with that mature skin look. I go for colors and glitter, vibrant colors and glitter, usually from independent brands that you have to order online. But there are some Natasha Denona stuff like that I do have too. But anyway, today I'm going to do a reveal of the iNNBeauty Project limited edition 9-piece mystery bag. It retails for $336, but it's on sale for $99. And I wrote down a little information about the brand that I didn't know, that I thought would be important to share. It's considered a top contender in the clean beauty space, with many users reporting visible improvements in skin hydration and radiance, making it a must-try for those seeking functional, fun skincare that is Gen Z friendly yet powerful. However, products such as their Extreme Cream, which I think I have a sample of in there, are considered for mature skin, with their potent anti-aging formulas with peptide, ceramides, and retinol alternatives, targeting fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, and dryness for a firmer, more hydrated and radiant skin. So that's a little bit. I think they came about around 2019. That's when I think they started selling products. So here's the bag. Show you what's in there. So I'm not opening them in any order. So this is, well, first one. This is iNNBeauty Extreme Eye Cream. And so I would say this is a full size, because you really don't need a lot for your eyes. But firming and contouring eye cream with peptides, amino acids, and what does that say? Some kind of extract. I don't know that word. So that's what this is, if you can see it. Okay, and I don't know the retail value. Like I said, this is a limited edition bag. So if you would like to try it, just go to iNNBeauty.com and you'll find them. This is the 10+10 More Moisturizer for AM and PM. I was interested in this because I do need a PM moisturizer. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. I got my camera to my phone over here so I can see. You open it up. Doesn't have a smell. I'm sorry, a scent. It doesn't have a scent. But it's really creamy. Let me cover that. Yeah, that's nice. Wow. I hate my hands. They're so wrinkly, and I swear I can't find anything to make the wrinkles look a little better. So I'm not sure what the price is, but I'm sure this is a full product. And it is 1.7 ounces or 50 milliliters. So far, pretty nice. Here we have Glaze Face. Wait, let's try that the other way around. Face Glaze Hydrating Gel Cream. Oh my god, I love hydrating gel cream. This again is a full size iNNBeauty Project. And then does it say a color? Adds a soft, focused glow and supports the skin barrier. Well, that's nice. You don't get many of them that help the skin barrier. Just want to put a little bit on. I do have some glitter on my hand from when I did my eye makeup. It's very subtle, but I mean, I could see that. I'm not sure if you can see that it's, can you see it? Yeah, I can't get you to see it. It's just a soft, like, subtle glow. It's not over the top, like, well, that's how I like it, but not everybody does. Next, we have Elastic Skin Firming and Plumping Serum with copper peptides, vegan growth factors, and phytomucin. I'm going to see what it says. Copper peptides visibly, I don't know if I said that right, visibly firm and reduce wrinkles for more elastic looking skin that bounces back. Vegan growth factors visibly plump, lift, and firm for a more contoured look. Vegan snail mucin derived from wild yam. It deeply hydrates and visibly plumps the skin. That's crazy. I'll take it out and see what it looks like. I tested all the other stuff. Let's try this too. Ooh, it's another full size. How does it say to use this? I just want to know that I'm doing it right. Nothing like it goes on your hand and you put it on your foot. So it just says apply on clean skin as your serum step. Follow with a moisturizer. Okay, let's try it. Wow, that like soft. So here's what it looks like. Wow. If that's for your face, oh my gosh. This stuff is amazing. I read a little bit about them. I read the the reviews, and I went online and I found their mystery bag, and I thought, what the heck, what a better way to try some of their top products. You know they're not going to put the non-best sellers here. And once again, that's Elastic Skin Firming and Plumping Serum. So far we have 4 products. Next we have Recharge Gel Cream, Smooth and Rejuvenating Moisturizer with advanced phytostem cells, multi-peptide technology, and patented mineral hydration complex. English. Where is it? Okay, it says orchid stem cells visibly improve deep wrinkles and radiance. Peptides visibly smooth skin texture and tighten the appearance of pores. Mineral complex, patented hydration cell technology deeply hydrates and visibly plumps the skin. Apply as your moisturizer step, morning and night. Wow, this is too much I want to try. So what do I say? We have 5 products. This is called Keep It Clean. Hopefully you can see that. Hydrating gel cleanser with ceramides, 10 amino acids. 10 amino acids. Ceramides. Oh. Hydrating gel cleanser that removes dirt, oil, makeup, and debris without disrupting the skin's moisture barrier. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Thoroughly cleanses without leaving skin tight or dry. So it says ceramide strengthens skin's moisture barrier. 10 amino acid blend helps maintain skin's hydration resilience. And it says to use to remove makeup. I know people hate people hate using anything where you have to take your eye makeup off because they feel like it blurs their vision, but it's like momentarily, and then you wipe it off and you're fine. It's like, okay, for regular cleansing, you just apply on wet skin, massage, and rinse. But I'm definitely going to try that as a makeup remover. Oh, I didn't take it out of the box. Let me show you the box, what it looks like. Keep it clean, hydrating gel cleanser. And I mean, all of these are great sizes. Like, you don't really get mystery bags where you're given a lot of full-size products. So next, I believe we have two let's say this the right way, glaze lip oil in Candy Apple and Merlot. Did I show them right? So I tried Candy Apple, and that was really good. Like, I would definitely wear watermelon. Not watermelon. What did I just say it was? Candy Apple. Candy Apple is the one I tried. I don't know where watermelon came from. My mouth is saying words my brain doesn't know. So this one is Merlot. Ooh. Let's try. You know I'm not good at this. That tastes good too. And it's not too dark. I don't know if I got all my lip covered. I like it. Again, I don't know what the price is on these, but these are very nice. Very soothing. And once again, that's the glazed lip oil. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to me, it's all, that would be my phone. It's all full sizes. This is Dibs Double Standard Primer and Mascara Duo. So there's the, let me show. Mascara. I guess that's the primer. I have no idea. Use it at will. And it's from Dibs. They're a fun company too. So that is the mystery bag for iNNBeauty. What do I call it? iNNBeauty Project. I can't wait to try these products. I just got this, so I haven't had a chance to try it yet. But it's there for mature skin or younger. There's no reason anyone can't use these products. Once again, it's iNNBeauty Project Mystery Bag, and it's a limited edition. So if you're interested in it, I would certainly go and get one. So thank you for tuning into my channel. If you found this content helpful or you just liked it, please hit that like button. And I'm trying to get 500 subscribers. I'm going to have a huge giveaway when that happens. So please consider subscribing and have your friends subscribe too. I try to do 1 or 2 videos a week. I'm not good with the editing, and that usually takes me a long time. But please have your friends, family, sign up on my channel. It's free, and then you'll be notified every time I have a new video up. So once again, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.